gamit ang cellphone. Yes! So, ang ako kanina, first is para sa katuan Ginoo, kay we are here to celebrate the birthday.
Yawi na kulap sa kalangitang kulit.
You want to reach?
Ikaw lagi. Ikaw! Pag-ibig,
Just loving. I'm very loving. Since I live in Bukidnon and we are the capital of the sugarcane, I'm very sweet. That's why I also have diabetes.
Nandito na! Ikaw! Ikaw!
Nagabulot sa buong certain. No, Tatay Digong? Who told you about it, your mom? That your mom said, you know, Tatay Digong is your tatay. You know what is tatay? You don't know. It's like a father. Do you know? Ah, okay. Your name is Ellie. Their name is Ellie. So, what are you going to... Ana, ako mga amiga, oh. What are you going to sing, my love?
Vampire by Olivia Newton.
You need to make it so loud so that your voice will reach there. Okay? Yeah. Don't be shy and you can also dance. You can do everything to entertain those.
From the first kiss, had your eyes wide open. Why were they open?
And every girl I ever talked to me, you were bad, but I know she got them crazy. God, I hate the way I call it crazy too. You said I'm insane. How did
Instead of Ma'am Gemma, we have a singer from Germany, Ma'am Irene. Na late na kasi yan sila nagbigay ng mga songs. So, oo. From Germany.
Thank you, Ma'am Charm. Sorry po, sorry. Hello! Hi! Gusto ko lang pati lahat ng mga taga-Germany! Wo bist du? Wo sind Sie? Hello! Lahat ng mga nurses, may mga nurses kami dyan from Wuppertal, from Aachen. Hello! Nurse po kami sa Uniklinikum.
Pinig mo'y sigaw ang masa? Ngayong ikaw